Did you ever wonder how two-channel or stereo audio files are handled by cluster analysis? The answer is Kaleidoscope Pro treats channels 0 and 1 as separate audio files regardless of whether they represent a left-right stereo recording or dual mono recording. Stereo happens when two microphones are used to record a panoramic soundscape. Think of the two microphones as your left and right ears. The two microphones pick up almost identical signals, but if a sound source is closer to one microphone than the other, there could be a slight time shift for direction and possibly a slight difference in volume. Dual mono is when two microphones are used, but they do not represent a stereo sound field. For example, on the SM4 recorder, you may use one internal microphone, and you may connect a second microphone via a cable to record at a slightly different location. Perhaps you want the two signals to represent low to the ground and higher up, or closer to a tree and further away from a tree. This is not a stereo signal, it is dual mono. Either way, Kaleidoscope Pro analyzes the two signals separately. If channels 0 and 1 really do represent left and right of a stereo sound field, the two signals will probably appear next to each other in the cluster analysis results window. They are not exactly the same signal, but they are very close. If the two signals are significantly different because the microphones were not set up as a stereo pair, one channel could contain different information than the other, and signals from the two microphones could end up in different clusters. One thing to be aware of, when you are viewing detected signals from a cluster analysis scan, you can switch which channel is currently visible in the viewer. This does not change which detected signal you are viewing. It just switches to the other channel and reloads the entire audio file. So now you know how two-channel recordings are handled by Kaleidoscope Pro in a cluster analysis batch process. Thank you for watching.